In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically start your Chrome browser whenever you power on your computer. My name is Isaac, and if this video will be helpful to you, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now to begin, go to Start menu here and then tap on it. Then from this, just search for Run and then tap on it to open our command. Then under this command, go ahead and type in shell startup and then click on OK. Now this will open this folder where we can now add all the apps or all the programs that we want to start up automatically whenever our Windows 10 computer is on. For our case, we want Chrome to start up automatically. So you can see the Chrome shortcut is here. We can go ahead and right click on it and then copy it and then paste it here. If your Chrome browser is not on your desktop, you can still go ahead and then tap on Start menu here and then search your program. For our case, Chrome, and here's Chrome. Then right click on it and then select Open File Location. Now from here, you can see we have our Chrome here. Go ahead and right click on it, then copy and come and paste it here. So once you're done, now you can comfortably close this. And then from here, each time you restart your computer, Chrome will automatically open. So that's how you automatically start your Chrome browser each time you start your computer on Windows 10. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.